Oracle's bold $1 billion AI infrastructure play is a game changer, but it's not without controversy. This once skeptical tech giant is now betting big on AI, and the numbers are eye-watering. Larry Ellison, a longtime cloud skeptic, has led Oracle into a new era, investing billions in AI-focused projects. The company is rapidly catching up with the industry leaders, thanks to some massive deals. But here's where it gets controversial. Oracle's plan includes a massive data center in Texas, powered entirely by gas generators, burning over $1 billion annually. Clay Magouyrk, a former AWS engineer now leading Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, is a key figure in this transformation. With a growing team and a massive workforce under his command, Magouyrk is a name to watch. The payoff? AI workloads are now Oracle's main driver, with demand surging across sectors. TikTok and OpenAI are leading the charge, with NVIDIA and even Meta reportedly in talks. While Oracle's cloud business still lags behind the industry giants, its early adoption of bare metal servers and aggressive pricing strategy could create a profitable niche. The question remains, can Oracle sustain this momentum and make a successful landing? If so, this could be the most dramatic transformation in the company's history. What do you think? Is Oracle's AI bet a genius move or a risky gamble? Let's discuss in the comments.